Today we'll be presenting about marble by Samir, Omar, Deena, Mustafa, Sharif, and Rola. What is marble? Marble is a metamorphic limestone, meaning it comes from rocks inside of Earth's crust as a result from pushing plates. When heat and pressure are combined to limestone, it forms large crystals, forming what we know as marbles. Depending on what we mix with these marbles decides the color of the marble, because marble and limestone are purely white. Marble in Egypt. Marble has a lot of exporting in marbles because it includes 500 marble factories and 3,000 marble workshops. Many of these factories are located in Taban, which is located in Maadi. Many streets among many marble and granite factories, El-Basatin region, and Bab al-Khalq. This is a map of Egypt of where certain marbles are found. The circle represents alabaster, which is the most expensive type of marble that is exported by Egyptians. Marble is used for several types of things, such as countertops, buildings, stairs, and statues. It can also be used for decoration purposes, and it can be shaped by combining several types of marbles together. Many people may not know the difference between marble and granite, but there is a very big difference. Marble and granite both come from the Earth's crust, but there are several differences between them. Granites, the cheapest of the cheapest granites, are more expensive than the cheapest marble. But however, when it comes to the more expensive marble and granite, marble is more expensive than granite. Granite's it's harder and it does not stain easily. It's not subject to abrasion easily, and that's why it's mostly used in countertops in kitchens. There's a larger variety of marble in comparison to granite, and that you can know the main difference is because granite has a lot of small patterns, while marble has a larger type of patterns. The process of turning marble rock to marble that is used. First, marble comes in the form of large rock, so it needs to be trimmed from the sides. There's a trimmer used as a diamond cord that cuts the sides to make it smooth. These trimmed edges are cut into blocks of 2 to 4 centimeters through mechanical saws and water serving as a lubricant. The machine is on the right. Marble is then cut into usable tiles, 30 to 30 or 50 centimeters, and water is also serving as a lubricant. After it is cut, marble is then put into a polishing machine, depending on whether it will be polished, unpolished, brushed, honed. It depends on the type of specifications of marbles. Marbles are usually stacked and then cutted and put into wood boxes separated by foam. There are many kinds of marbles that are available in the local market. Some may be originally from Egypt, while others may be imported from other countries such as Italy, Turkey, Spain, and India. Marble pricing can go from between $140 to £7,500. The most expensive marble was originally from Italy. To install marble, according to different factories, they usually take 30 to 70 extra pounds per meter squared. These are different types of marbles. We visited in Taban, and we took several pictures of the price per meter squared. The onyx is the most expensive type of marble. There is usually a variety of different onyx, such as green onyx, multi-onyx. These are all marbles imported from abroad, such as Italy, Spain, different parts of Europe, Canada, and the U.S. Some also include from Turkey and Iran and India. Egyptian-made marble is more cheaper than the marble that comes from abroad. And these are manufactured type marbles. They're very bright in color, and they're made of 75% marble powder and 25 epoxy. The picture below shows the most expensive marble in one of the factories that we visited. It's called Satellite Blue. It's per meter squared. It sells for 7,500 pounds. Marble that is originally from Egypt is generally cheaper than the marble imported from abroad. Prices, of course, vary from one company to another depending on color, quality, and scarcity. Some marble is also harder to cut than other marble, which also there's a very big difference in price because the diamond cord that uses to cut marble is very expensive. The installation process. For installing marble in floors, the tile thickness of 3 centimeters should be fixed on a mortar above 5 centimeter layer of sand. After installing the tiles, they are covered in a layer of water and gypsum to avoid scratches due to construction works. After construction works are finished, the marble tiles are then polished. The mortar is put between the tiles, should be similar to the colors of the tiles that fill the gaps using powder oxides of different colors or by simply using glue. In case of expansion joists, marble is installed using silicone or a similar material according to the specifications of the consultant. For walls, there's a different type of method. There's 4 different types of method. We can use brass wires that are fixed around the marble tile, and a small marble piece is glued to its back. More brass wire is covered and added above the small marble piece. There is a gap of 2 centimeters between the wall and the marble tile, and then the marble tile is fixed temporarily with gypsum blocks, and mortar is poured above and behind the marble tile till the mortar dries. Finally, the gypsum blocks are removed. Another technique for putting marble on walls is the metal skeleton is installed in a groove in a marble tile thickness, and the metal is fixed to the wall, and the marble tiles are put in rows above each other till covering the whole wall. Other methods include small marble piece and drilling nails into the marble tiles and fixing it to the walls directly. In case of different materials such as parquet or marble next to each other, a brass strip is fixed in between, and there's a space between the two, and it overlaps the marble covering. Quality control checks is very important while checking for marble. You need to check for consistency of thickness, avoiding cracks in marble boards and tiles. Consistent shine all over the marble board if it's for polishing or whatever type of marble finishing you need. And the marble blocks are suitable to be cut in blocks. Cutting should be consistent for obtaining exact dimensions. Quality of installing the tiles may be fixed firmly and no differences in level according to drawings. Technical specifications may include deciding the required color, thickness, dimensions of tiles, and the cut of shape. Marble, depending on its usage and specifications, could either be polished, unpolished, brushed, sandblasted, antique, tumbled, honed, push-hammered, or flamed. Marble polish are like the machines that we saw that are used for flooring, may be used for stairs and other uses. Tumbling is a rough surface by turning the rock in a turning barrel with abrasives and water. Brush may be possibly used in swimming pool bottoms and ablution areas in mosques to prevent slipping. Many of our references include Al-Salama Factory, Al-Haddad, and Shalaby. Thank you.